Testing and assessment are sometimes used interchangeably in the literature, which can be really confusing. But in my view, testing is really to do with end of course summative assessment. It's used to make decisions about a student's future. Assessment is, for me, much more interesting. It's about how we can use evidence from students' performance in order to make informed decisions about what they, the learners, and we as teachers do together to make learning more successful, more enjoyable, and more memorable. Yes, in my view, that understanding of assessment definitely helps to make learning have more impact. If we understand, if we interpret the results of assessment, both informal, semi-formal, and more formal from our classrooms, as teachers, we're able to make decisions. And later on, if we involve students in the process, the students themselves can contribute to making decisions about what and how they learn. And by letting them in on the secrets of what's happening in the black box, of what's happening in classroom, by making the processes visible, we get much better outcomes as a result. Crucially, there is an evidence base for that. English language teaching is a highly professionalized industry. But what I think it has perhaps lacked in the past is looking to see what's happening in mainstream education and learn from it. And I'm really pleased that in these Gallery Teachers masterclasses, we're getting clear evidence of mainstream learning coming into English language teaching and to helping us teachers to be better teachers. Some examples of that: spaced repetition, something that Anna Kuchar will talk about in her masterclass of the same topic. Visible thinking, that's come from Project Zero at Harvard. Visible learning from the work of John Hattie. Both of these discussed by Andre Headland in his masterclass. All of these give important help to us teachers to improve ELT standing. And the point here is it is empirical and evidence-based. In other words, putting it bluntly, it works.